I'm going to review the best mechanical pencil in the market for this year. We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. At number 1, Pentel GraphGear Mechanical Pencil. This mechanical pencil has a metallic grip that lets you hold firmly to the pencil and prevents it from slipping through your fingers. The grip has pads embedded on each side to make using the pencil comfortable for you. The tip works in 2 ways, giving you the option to let it retract and advance when in motion. This pencil is your best bet as an engineer who wants to make good use of his creativity. It comes with an eraser to enable you to correct your mistakes easily and a refill. It uses the Pentel Super High Polymer lead for writing. At number 2, KuruToga Roulette Model. This pencil includes a rotation mechanism that lets the tip swirl when writing. It won't give you problems that other pencils give when using them. Most pencils out there starts off with a pointed tip, but as you continue to write, the tip begins to create blurry lines and it keeps getting thicker. You won't encounter all these issues when you buy this mechanical pencil. You won't use more than 50% of the amount of lead you are using on other pencils as it saves the lead. The size of the lead is 0.5 millimeters and it includes an eraser. At number 3, Uniball KuruToga Mechanical Pencil. This mechanical pencil is a must-have for engineers across the world. It features a rotating lead that makes the pencil swerve smoothly, thereby keeping it from breaking off, and it can be used by beginners. The lead mechanism also sharpens the pencil often to help you start working immediately. In addition, it includes an eraser, which can be replaced when it is exhausted, to correct mistakes and make amendments. It makes lines with an edgy look that appear crispy and clear to depict. The pencil package comes with 2 additional erasers and 12 lead refills for adequate and lasting usage.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.